Hello 5th class students, welcome to our mathematics class. Students, in our previous class we have discussed all about lines, angles, and we have discussed the question 1 of exercise 8.1. Now we'll continue with our question number 2. Here in the second question you can see we are given to find which of the following pairs of angles are complementary. Students, we have discussed in the last class what are complementary angles. If we are having two angles whose sum is equals to 90 degree, then we say that two angles are complementary to each other. That means here we have to check that which of the following pair is having their sum of angles equals to 90 degree. If the sum is 90 degree, then we say it is a pair of complementary angles. So here you can see we have to check which of the following pairs of angles are complementary. In the A part, we are given the two angles 45 degree and 145 degree. Here you can see the sum of the two angles 45 degree plus 145 degree is what? We will find it is 190 degree. That is not equals to 90 degree. That means this pair of angles is not complementary. This is the way how will you write. Okay. In the B part also you can see 30 plus 70 it's 100. It is also not complementary. In the C part you can see 10 plus 70 it is 80 degree. It is again not equals to 90 degree. That means it is also not complementary. In the next sum you can see 120 degree plus 30 degree we get 150 degree. Again not equals to 90 degree. That means it is also not complementary. In the E part you can see 15 degree and 75 degree. दोनों को add करेंगे we get 90 degree. The sum is 90 degree. That means this pair of angles is complementary. So in the E part we are given angles 15 degree and 75 degree. So here we are having 15 degree plus 75 degree equals to 90 degree. That means 15 degree and 75 degree are complementary to each other. Okay, this is the method how will you write. In the similar manner you can do the remaining sum. Again in the F part 20 plus 70 it is 90 degree. So this is complementary. In the G part 30 degree plus 60 degree it's again 90 degree. This is also complementary pair. Last is 22 degree plus 68 degree. Again we get 90 degree. So it is also complementary pair. Okay. Now in the third we have to check which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary. So supplementary के लिए हमें क्या check करना? We have discussed the pair of angles whose sum is equals to 180 degree. Then we say the two angles are supplementary to each other. So यहाँ पे हमें check करना है कि किस pair में के angles का sum 180 degree है. So here in the third question, which of the following pairs of angles are supplementary? Okay. So here in the A part we are given 135 degree and 45 degree. 135 degree and 45 degree. So we will check the sum of these two. 135 degree plus 45 degree. 5 plus 5 0. 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8. We get 180 degree. That means sum of the two angles is 180. That means these two angles are supplementary to each other. That means 135 degree 45 and 45 degree are supplementary to each other. This is the manner how will you write. In the B part, we are given 30 degree plus 70 degree, 30 degree and 170 degree. Okay. So again, you will check 30 degree plus 170 degree. How much you will get? We get 200 degree. That is not equals to 180. अगर 180 के equal नहीं आता है, then we write this implies 30 degree and 170 degree are not supplementary to each other. ठीक है, this is the manner how will you write. Similarly, you can do the remaining sum. In the next part, you can see 80 degree plus 100 degree, 180 degree. That means these are supplementary. Next, 60 plus 135 will get 195. That is not equal to 180 degree. That means these are not supplementary. In the next E part, 90 degree plus 90 degree we get 180 degree. That means these are also supplementary. In the F part, 130 degree plus 50 degree, again we get 180 degree. That means this pair is also supplementary. In the G part, 180 degree plus 0 degree, again we get 180 degree. That means this is also supplementary pair. Now H part, 45 degree plus 145 degree, we get 190. That is not equals to 180 degree. That means these are not supplementary to each other. Now in the fourth question, we are to find the measure of the complement of each of the following angles. अगर हमें वन ऑफ द एंगल दे रखा है, कॉम्प्लीमेंट पूछा है, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल कौन से होते हैं? ऐसे दो एंगल जिनका सम 190 डिग्री होता है. तो अगर दोनों एंगल्स का सम टोटल 90 है तो टोटल सम हमें पता है और उस टोटल सम में से एक एंगल हमें दे रखा होता है. तो टोटल सम 90 डिग्री में से अगर हम एंगल माइनस कर देंगे देन विल फाइंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट, दैट इज द अदर एंगल. Okay, so in the fourth question we will subtract each angle from 90 degree. We are to find the measure of the complement of each of the following angles. So here in the A part we are given 90 degree and we are to find complement of this. The complement of 90 degree, what will be the complement? We will subtract the given angle from 90 degree. तो यहाँ पे हमें जो गिवन एंगल है वो 90 डिग्री दे रखा है, तो 90 डिग्री में से 90 डिग्री सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, वी गेट 0 डिग्री. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 90 डिग्री इज हाउ मच? 0 डिग्री. दिस इज आवर रिक्वायर्ड आंसर. नाउ इन द बी पार्ट वी आर गिवन हाउ मच एंगल? 42 डिग्री. सो वी विल फाइंड द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ 42 डिग्री. सो कॉम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड करने के लिए क्या करेंगे? 90 डिग्री में से जो गिवन एंगल है वो हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. वी विल सब्ट्रैक्ट 42 डिग्री फ्रॉम 90 डिग्री. 10 - 2 वी गेट हेयर 8. यहाँ से हम बोरो ले चुके हैं तो वी आर रिमेनिंग विद 8 हेयर. 8 - 4 4. दैट मीन्स 48 डिग्री इज द कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ एंगल 42. सिमिलरली यू कैन फाइंड द रिमेनिंग. ठीक है, यू आर टू डू yourself the remaining parts. ठीक है, बिल्कुल सेम इसी तरीके से आपको 90 में से जो गिवन एंगल है वो सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. देन वी विल हैव द कॉम्प्लीमेंट. इन द फिफ्थ पार्ट, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, वी आर टू फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ द सप्लीमेंट ऑफ ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. जैसे हमने कॉम्प्लीमेंट निकाला है वैसे ही सप्लीमेंट के लिए क्या होता है बेटा? सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स में क्या होते हैं? सप्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स आर दोज हुज सम इज 180. दैट मीन्स सप्लीमेंट निकालने के लिए जो गिवन एंगल है वो हम किस में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? 180 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे. ठीक है, सो इन द फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन वी आर टू फाइंड द मेजर ऑफ the supplement of each of following angles. So here in the A part we are given the angle 47 degree. We are to find the supplement of 47. So supplement of 47 degree will be, कैसे निकालेंगे हम, 180 डिग्री में से 47 डिग्री को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. 10 minus 7 we are having 3 here. यहाँ से हम बोरो ले चुके. 17 minus 4 13. So supplement of 47 will be how much? 133 degree. It is our required answer. Now in the B part we are given the angle 135 degree. So again for finding the supplement of 135 degree we will subtract 135 डिग्री फ्रॉम 180. ठीक है, यहाँ से देखिए 0 में से 5 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं कर सकते, बोरो लेगा. 10 minus 5 we get here 5 and 17 minus 13 we get here 4. That means 45 degree is the supplement of 135 degree. Similarly you can do the remaining sum yourself. Do the remaining parts yourselves. ठीक है. So here your exercise completed. So today your homework is to complete exercise 8.1 in your fair notebook. Thank you. Have a nice day.